ISEC in Chennai, this is Misha from ISEC International. I'm actually currently in India here on a BRIC conference with your LCP. And we're talking a lot about leadership and all the LCs and all the BRIC countries and what is happening. And actually one of the important things which we touched upon is why actually we are having leaders, why we are having members in ISEC, and what is the point of that, because sometimes we get lost with all the work we have and all the numbers which we are trying to achieve. And I just want you to remember why you are doing those numbers every day, and in the end you are doing that for development of other people. So you are basically here making sure that people who are going on exchange, people who are joining ISEC are becoming better people for India and for society. And at the same time you are becoming a better person by doing this. And you are becoming also the change agent who will then change your city and India and become someone who can bring really positive change to society. So I just wanted you to remember that, because I think it's most powerful thing to think about when you are in ISEC and when you are working and waking up every day to pick up someone from the airport. So just don't forget those things, because I think they will bring you the motivation to become even better than you are now. So good luck this year, and be better yourself this year. Good luck.
Hello, ISEC in Chennai, how are you doing? My name is Leo, I'm current MCP of ISEC in Brazil, and I have a brief message for all of you. I believe that ISEC in India has been one of my main inspirations throughout my ISEC experience, and one of the things that I've seen, which is really strong in you guys, is the purpose orientation. And I really hope that in every action and everything that you do, you keep this purpose really clear. What are you going to do in this, and why are you developing such leaders in order to cause a positive impact in India? Because I think that's where your strength relies, okay? So hope to see you any day in international conferences. Have fun.
Hello, ISEC Chennai, it's Dasha. I'm MCP of ISEC in Russia, and I would like to share with you one simple realization which came to me during this BRIC conference, and it is about India. I've always wanted to go to India, like to my internship after ISEC experience, but I'm already here, and I'm very happy to be here. That is the first fact, and the second fact is that as I see, India is very, very diverse country, and the people here are very different from place to place, and it is quite similar to Russia. But there is one fact which inspires me a lot, that we are very diverse countries, but still we feel like one country. So, for example, Russian from different parts of Russia feels like they are one country, and in India it's the same. And here is the third point I would like to say, is that our countries are very, very similar, Russia and India, and I really believe that the way we can impact on our countries and cities is a really, really big one. If we send and do more exchange between our countries, we can do much more impact because of the understanding of realities and common issues, and we can really solve them through ISEC. So I really wish to make lots of cooperations between your LC and Russian LCs, and just do the impact we can create. Thank you.